Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video it will be voiceover. I recorded this video before Navratri and could not post it. So you can see the changes in my face. I lost almost 7 kg of weight during my Navratri fasting, 10 days of fasting. And you can see the face, the weight lost I have currently almost 7 kgs, the difference. So if you guys are interested to see this look, how I have created it, then keep on watching. Starting off with my bare face, I'm going to use this Benefit Cosmetics The Professional Primer, and I'm going to use it in my cheeks and a little bit on the nose. So those areas wherever I want to cover my pores, so I'm going to use this. Next I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD. It's an corrector in the orange shade, and I'm going to apply that on all the areas I have a little bit of dark spots, including my pimples. I make sure to use it every time. For foundation I'm going to use this Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation. This is a very good foundation, and yeah, it is a buildable coverage and it looks like skin. After you apply this foundation you don't feel like you are using any kind of foundation. So yeah, you can see first I'm going to use it using a brush, then I'm going to take this beauty blender and dab it. This is going to take all the excess product. Here you can see I am using some more building the coverage and using some more foundation near my mouth, because these areas it looks a little bit gray, so I need more coverage. For contour I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Tintor in the shade medium. This is very creamy, very highly pigmented, very good product, and it blends like a magic. So I'm going to use it in all the areas, and this time I have started doing for my chin little bit. I feel like every time I use foundation, the area near my chin, which is called cleft chin, that's a gap, is getting covered. Next I'm going to use this concealer from Makeup Revolution and apply it on all the areas I like to highlight my face, and this is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. And then I'm going to blend it very quickly because this concealer dries out very fast and you have to work it very quickly. And I'm applying this concealer on all the areas I want to highlight my face. So this makeup is very gentle, very soft, that you can wear in Diwali. And next I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 30, and I'm going to bake my under eyes and all the areas I have used the concealer. I'm going to apply this compact powder, and whatever is left in the brush I'm going to use it on my rest of my face. And here I'm using this under my cheekbones to highlight my cheekbones. Next I'm going to move into brows. I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Balm Pomade, and first I'm taking a spoolie. I'm going to take little bit of the product on my hand so that the product does not dries up if I keep it open for longer time. So while doing my brows I make sure to start from the end so that my front portion is not too much harsh. So I start from the end and I always slowly build the coverage, or you can see make hair like strokes, and at the end I like to keep it darker, the tail portion of my brows. Same thing I am showing you in a fast forward motion for my other brow also. Next I'm going to take little bit of concealer, the same concealer, and using that to sharpen my brows. For eyeshadow I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette, and taking the shade Karma I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. While applying this I was feeling like using some powder to set the concealer, so I took the shade Momentum, which is a very light yellow color, and apply it under my brows to set the concealer that I have used. This will avoid your eyeshadow looking patchy. Next, I am going to use the same shade Karma and slowly build so that it does not look suddenly harsh. Next, I am going to take these two shades, Vortex and Hot Mess, and apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. Both of them are very pigmented, so you have to take very little and keep on building. And also I am bringing it to the inner corners of my eyes. So basically this is creating a crease in my eyelid. Next I am going to take this shade Cosmic, this glittery shade, and I like to use my finger for applying glittery shades. I feel like it looks more pigmented and shiny. So taking the same earlier brush, I am trying to blend the edges. Next I am going to remove all the baking, and this will clean off all the glitters. I am working on my lower lash line, applying the same darker shades. Next I am going to move into this Huda Beauty Life Liner Duo Pencil. First I am going to take the kajal part, and then using the liner I am going to make a thin line. Next I am going to use this LA Girl Pro Contour Powder and apply it on the areas wherever I want to add shadow to my face. And here I am contouring my nose, also in my cleft chin. Next for lashes I am going to use this Huda Beauty Jacqueline lashes. For glue I have used that MAC Duo glue, and yeah, this is my lash done. I'm going to apply this mascara from Lakme Kareena Kapoor Khan collection, and for highlight I'm going to use this Maybelline Studio, the rose gold one. I don't want too much glowy because already a lot of glitters are there in my eyes, so I don't want too much shine, so I'm going very light handed here, you can see. Also I'm going to apply it on the inner corners of my eyes and brow bone. Next for lipstick I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature. First I'm going to line my lips using a Color Bar lip liner. I feel the lip liner defines the lips better, so I always try to use a lip liner. So I'm going to use two shades, one a little bit darker and one a little bit lighter. Next, to set my brows, I use this Body Shop brow gel. This will make sure my brow hair stay up. Next, I'm going to use the setting spray from Makeup Forever to set my face. This will make sure my face does not look powdery, and voila, this is the finished look. So I just curled my hair. You can wear this in Diwali or any kind of occasion, Indian occasions. Thank you so much for watching this video.